Hello, welcome back to my channel, my Artaholics friend. So, first of all, I would like to thank everybody who supported my recent or realistic wine glass shots, which got about 7.8k views. I never thought that I will get, because as you know that what is happening in today's generation, that the people who does hard work, especially in art field, be it music, be it art, so they don't get much appreciation. I'm not saying that I am hardworking person, I'm talking about everybody who does hard work, because nowadays everybody loves to watch cringe content, and I don't understand uh, why it gets viral and why don't videos of hardworking people get viral. So nevertheless, I want to thank everybody who supported me, and I want this support from you all so that I can grow and make a big family with you all and celebrate my 500, then 1000, then with love of you all it can get bigger and bigger in numbers. So thank you once again, and you can also suggest me what should I make, or what kind of art videos should I upload, because recently a very good person commented on my recent shot of realistic ice cream, which I have uploaded today. You can see the full video. That person said that she or he is not so much pro at doing art, so it's not necessary that everybody is pro. So I love that that person wants to learn art, and she or he said that and they wait for my video, and I was late. Yes, I was late. So thanks to this person for the ideas. I've thought that I will be coming up with tutorial video for beginner, intermediate, like that, step by step. So the video I am making today is of a realistic ice cream. Before that, I have made one wine glass video, which I thought said about right now. I didn't upload that because I didn't shoot the full video of that. So it is a speed up video, so you can see the process, but I will be giving you step by step tutorial videos. So it is just an idea, and I will be talking about what I have kept in mind while creating this particular, or that wine glass realistic art. So I'm talking about realistic. It is like second. First come the basic of art, which I will be also giving the tutorial of. So because I am showing the realistic ice cream, so let me tell you what should you keep in mind. Be it a wine glass, be it a ice cream, be it any object you want to create a realistic thing. Main thing is, in this video I have taken shades of brown. I have used brush-stroke pencil color, which is having a wax little bit, so that it glides very beautifully. You can take any pencil color, don't push so hard. The main 2 to 3 things you can keep in mind is that blending, the quantity of colors, that how much color and what kind of colors is in that object, reflection of light. You have to take 2 to 3 minutes to study that object in front of your eyes, which is mainly happens in art school. You can see that I am adding color by color, layer by layer in this video. First I have added a light brown shade, then I have added dark brown shade, and now I'm adding yellow. Then above that I will be adding some highlights. Use of highlights is very much important. Because ice cream is not possible that I will see the ice cream and make in general, so I have taken one image from internet and I'm making it. You can take any object. So I have not learned anything from art school. I have never went to an art school. My uncle was a professional artist. My dad draws hyper realistic stuffs, so maybe from there I have got. But the main thing is, you want to learn something. I don't think that my subscriber is less or it is a small channel. I only know that if I give you the proper tutorial, proper points that makes you clear that how to draw, I am successful for that. So here you can see that little by little I'm adding colors. I am understanding the color in that ice cream pic, and I am adding shades, highlight. So basically it took me 1 to 2 hours to draw this. I have completed this video to 6 minutes because nobody have that much time to see this. So from next time I thought that I will be coming up with part 1, part 2, part 3 tutorials from beginning concept, from basic concepts to high level concepts. So I'm just giving you the idea how I made that. So you can take any object, you can keep in front of you, be it an apple, be it a flower vase. You should only keep in mind how to blend the colors, how many colors it is in there, how many shades of color are there, the reflection of light. And you can make anything. I have taken the stone paper, which is a brush stroke. It comes in black, beige and grey. I have taken grey. Basically white is available everywhere and I love white. Everybody can use it. But the main thing is that if you use this stone color, the art you do will pop up it by itself. Nothing more. So to give a more realistic appearance, you can add shadow like I am adding. So let me know how you love this video and my tips. I will be coming up with a tutorial video very soon. So keep on supporting me like this, and thank you so much everybody.